There has been a lot of interest in increasing absorption of vitamins into our bodies. Doctors and scientists are claiming that this is the wave of the future. But how do you make nutrition more bioavailable? Liposomes. Liposomes are tiny bubbles made from healthy sunflower oil that wrap around your favorite vitamin, such as vitamin C, or favorite herbs, such as curcumin. These tiny bubbles are now ready for you to drink. If you do not have the liposome bubbles, the vitamins will not absorb well.